Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Welcome to the world of understated luxury, where sophistication meets modern design. In 2024, the focus is on creating living spaces that exude elegance through the use of refined color palettes and carefully selected furnishings. Imagine walking into a room where every element, from the soft gray tones on the walls to the sleek furniture with muted accents, comes together in perfect harmony. Today's video is all about bringing that sophisticated elegance into your home by using modern hues that evoke calm, refinement, and timeless beauty. Whether you're refreshing a space or starting from scratch, we'll guide you through the latest trends in color and design that will transform your living room into a refined retreat. Ready to elevate your home with modern hues? Let's begin the journey into sophisticated living. Modern hues for a refined home. In 2024, the color trends for living spaces are all about subtle sophistication. Neutral palettes are getting an upgrade with deep muted tones that add warmth and depth without overpowering the room. Think soft, smoky grays, rich taupes, and calming shades of cream. These colors serve as a perfect backdrop for adding accents of richer, more luxurious tones. For a modern and elegant look, consider pairing these neutral shades with jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and deep plum. These rich hues add a sense of opulence while maintaining a contemporary feel. Another rising trend is the use of warm, earthy colors like terracotta and ochre, which bring a natural warmth to the space, grounding the overall design. Layering tones is essential to creating a sophisticated atmosphere. Use a combination of lighter neutrals with deeper accent colors to give the room a dynamic feel. Whether you opt for a monochromatic scheme or mix muted hues with pops of bolder colors, the key is balance, letting each element enhance the space's elegant vibe. Furniture and decor for sophisticated elegance. When it comes to furniture, 2024 embraces sleek, clean lines with a touch of luxurious detailing. Sofas and chairs upholstered in plush fabrics like velvet or linen add a rich texture that complements modern hues. Opt for furniture in neutral tones like soft gray or beige, allowing the pieces to blend seamlessly with your chosen color scheme. To keep the look refined, go for low-profile designs with slim legs and minimal ornamentation. Decorative accents play a crucial role in adding sophistication to your living space. Metallic touches like brushed gold or matte black can elevate the room without being too bold. Think elegant gold-framed mirrors, minimalist metallic vases, or sleek black side tables. The idea is to keep it subtle yet impactful. Lighting also enhances the refined aesthetic. Look for fixtures with clean designs in metallic or glass finishes. Chandeliers with geometric shapes or simple pendant lights can add a contemporary edge while maintaining the sophisticated vibe. Textiles and finishing touches. The finishing touches are where the magic happens, pulling the entire look together. High-quality textiles like silk or cashmere throw blankets and soft area rugs add an extra layer of luxury. Neutral-colored drapes or curtains in materials like linen or velvet also contribute to the room's overall elegance, creating a sense of flow and continuity. Rugs are an important feature in modern living spaces, and in 2024, patterned rugs in subdued colors are making a statement. Look for designs that feature geometric patterns or abstract lines in soft tones to complement your furniture and decor. These subtle patterns add visual interest without overwhelming the space. Artwork is another excellent way to enhance the room's sophistication. Opt for minimalist pieces, abstract paintings, or large-scale photography in muted or monochrome color schemes. These art pieces should add depth to the room without competing for attention. After all, the elegance is in the harmony. Sophistication is all about balance, choosing the right hues, materials, and finishes to create a space that feels both luxurious and understated. By using modern hues like deep neutrals and jewel tones, along with elegant furniture and subtle decor, you can transform your living space into a refined haven of style and grace. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of sophisticated elegance in home design. We hope you're inspired to introduce these modern hues and design elements into your own space. Remember, creating an elegant home is about blending the right colors and textures to craft a living space that reflects timeless beauty. Don't forget to subscribe for more interior design tips, and let us know in the comments how you're bringing sophistication to your home. Until next time, happy decorating!